What's good, people? I'm back with another video, and for those of you who are on a tight budget or broke, having no money, I've got a great way for you to make money online. This is something that I use. Okay, I do this, and it's a great way for you to get started. There's no upfront cost. You don't have to come out of pocket at all. Okay, everything we want to show you today is free. There is a little bit of setting up though, so with that being said, let's jump into this. The site that I have in front right now is Fiverr. Now, a lot of people don't like Fiverr. Okay, a lot of people have problems. A lot of people can't make money with Fiverr, but I actually made a video, and I'm going to put a tag to it and a link down below that explains to you how to make money with Fiverr. Okay, there are certain things that you need to do, and if you want to make this work, I suggest you go ahead and check out this video before you check out this one. Okay, I'm not going to go into large details because it would make this video very long, so I'm just going to say check out that video and then come back to this one if you want to find a way to make money with Fiverr. Okay, but the reason we're on Fiverr is because we're essentially going to be building websites for people. Okay, so if we put that in and we go through the list, we can see there's a large list of people who are building websites. Okay, now you don't need to just use this site. There are other sites like Upwork.com and Freelancer.com and 99 Designs. These are just some examples. Okay, but you definitely want to use Wix because it's the easiest, it's free, and you don't have to worry about coming out of pocket with anything. Again, like I said, I use Wix, and you have a seller right here who's making a decent amount of money building with Wix websites. Okay, so Wix makes it super easy, and I'm going to show you that with Wix you have two options to build a website. You have the ADI, which is an AI that designs it for you based on the answers that you give it, and you have the editor, which allows you to do it manually. All right, so when you're first starting out, you probably want to use the ADI. So let's say you have somebody who wants to build a portfolio for their photography business. So we'll go to the ADI and we'll put in photography. It'll give you a bunch of options. We'll put in portfolio. Then we'll hit next. Okay. This is where you ask a person, what do you want to do with the site? Are you booking clients? Do you want to have a blog attached to it? Do you want to have an Instagram feed attached to it? Okay. They tell you these type of things. All right. Do they want to have pricing plans or whatever? They tell you these type of things, and then you put it into the ADI. Ask them whatever their business name is. So we'll just say web optics. And you know, if they have a business location, you can ask them for that. If they have an existing website, which no, because you know, you're building it for them, so you can ask them if they have a personalized logo that they want to use, and then you can upload that, or any social accounts. Then it's going to ask you for a theme. All right, so this one you can just try one. Okay, and hit next. I like minimal. Minimal is the easiest to deal with. And then they're going to give you some templates for the homepage design. Okay. And we'll go with this one. Okay. Let it load up. So let's see. We want to select a work page, and again, these are things that you can ask the client what they want. Okay, about page, naturally we want a contact page, Instagram, and that should be good. You can see that the website has been built for you. It has all the elements that you asked for. booking, pricing and plans, select the work, the about, the contact, and the Instagram. It's all here and it's done. Okay, you can present this to them, see if they want some colors modified or if they want the layout to change a little bit, but you have a built website based on the things that they want, and you can present this to them. Now, tech savvy people, you don't really have to worry about them. These people will already be online looking for ways to build their own website. This will pretty much cater to people who are non-tech savvy, who have no experience online or don't want to deal with building a website. Okay, so every now and then you may get a person that's super picky who wants colors or fonts or things like that. You may have to work with that. That's frustrating, but a lot of times you won't get that. But for the most part, this will be good. It's clean, it's modern, there's not a lot confusing them, and then it's just a matter of uploading images and stuff like that, you know, changing little things like their about, you know, pricing and things like that, contact information. Easy, simple stuff. And with this, you can charge pretty much how much you want. I charge $97 per page. Some people go as much as $300 per page. It's totally up to you. Okay, and that's the ADI. Okay, but if you want to have more customization, you can do the manual editor, and then we can do photography. And as you can see, they still have templates. Okay, but you're left filling out most of the important stuff. They'll have some of the basics, but you'll be left doing the important stuff. Okay, so we'll just go with this first one. See, still just as clean as the other one. And this one still has the pages, which is good. Okay, but this will give you more flexibility to edit and change things around the way you like. Okay, so that's also an option. So basically, if you want to make it on Fiverr, okay, you've got to at least hit that first rank. Okay, being a Fiverr seller, they come in different ranks. Because you can see level 2, these are level 2 sellers, level 1 seller. Okay, and the aim of the game is to get your first 10 sales. Now, what I said in the other video, and I will share that portion, is to get those first 10, you want to go to friends and family, okay, and have them buy your gig, but don't keep the money, just give it back to them, you know, or give them the money, be like, hey, use this money to buy my gig on this freelancing site and give me a good review. That's the most important thing. You want them to buy the service and give you a good review so that you can get that, so that you can rank up as a seller. Okay, and then they'll really put you out there in the marketplace. And then an alternative to that would be to come to Facebook, and what you will want to do is check out the different Fiverr groups. Okay, because you can work together with people in these Fiverr groups, buy one of their gigs or buy one of yours. Y'all give each other good ratings, and you can help yourself. You can help get that rank up so that you can get seen in the marketplace, so that you can actually start making money. Okay, so plenty of options here to get started. It's just a matter of you actually getting started. I said this is one of the easier ways to do it, because Wix gives you every tool you need, and they basically do the work for you. You just may have to do some fine tuning, like I said, changing fonts, changing colors, and maybe rearranging some elements. That's it. Everything else is done for you. All right, so that's all I got. Like I said, you can charge however much you want, but I would not charge so much, or do it for free for the first couple, especially for Fiverr, so you can start, so that you can get your seller rating up faster. All right, so that's it. Leave a comment down below if you found it useful. Subscribe for more, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take care.